There he is, folks. Folks, I'm at the house right now. I'm actually working. It doesn't look like I'm working, but I'm working. And so, just to give you an update, I wanted to do this now because me and Parker are going to come out here this evening. We've been watching, unbelievable, behind the house here. There's been I counted 6 different toms in the field one time, the other morning, and there's birds everywhere. There were just 2 toms out here, and 5 jakes and hens out here this morning. They've been out here every day, every evening, every morning, everywhere. And that giant tom, that's the big one. I know there's a giant tom that's a single. That is definitely him. Oh my god, he looks huge from here. And anyway, Parker went out and got permission for this property yesterday. And so he's gonna come over today, and we're gonna hunt this little clump right here in front of the house where these birds have all been walking around. Bring the net. We haven't decided if we're gonna bring a decoy yet or not, because the birds just honestly go through there every time. I think we'll bring one because there's just so many birds out here, and I think we're gonna get a shot. And Parker's had a rough hunting season this year for turkey. It's just been bad weather. It's been a really tough turkey season, and I kept telling him he's got to come out here and ask for his permission. He just got it. And I'm just watching these toms right now from the basement while I'm working from home today. And we're going to go out and try to get these birds this evening. So we'll get back with you when we finally get set up this evening around 5. But fingers crossed, it's going to be a good hunt. I think it's going to be epic. I think it's going to be really fun because there's so many birds and they just keep coming through here. There's at least 7 different toms out here. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Shoot. I think it's too far. Damn it. That was him. That was the 2-year-old.
I don't think I was reaching that.
He didn't seem that far.
Well, folks, good morning. Today is technically day 2 of us hunting back here. Parker is on his way, as you saw last night. he ended up missing that bird. We watched that thing, and he must have had the gun shoulder wrong and missed high on that bird, missed behind him on the second shot, and then who knows on the third shot. But definitely missed that bird. I think that bird's perfectly fine. Who knows if that bird will come back today, but we're taking a chance and we're just gonna hunt this first hour to see if these birds do anything from like 7 to 8. And so we're gonna go set up on this clump again. Mom's gonna be our eyes again from the hill and let us know if they're over here. And we're gonna bring the mojo, and we're just gonna put 2 decoys out, hen decoys out today, and see. I mean, we're really just ambushing birds. So, but we're gonna bring the mojo. We're gonna pretty much pack light and just hunt for this first hour and pray we can get it done. It really sucks we missed that one last night, but there's a ton more out here. And yesterday, all they did is walk right through that thing there. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Update, folks. Nah, I just go on the edge and start fanning at them. We've been hunting this field 2 times now. We've been waiting for birds to finally show. That's a tom there, and there's 6 jakes over here, and he's got 2 hens to his right. And we're sending Parker in with the fan to see if he can fan any of these suckers in. Parker! The tom doesn't see you. If the jakes spook, just get down towards that corner and fan them.
Yeah, he's not even looking this way, the tom.
Yeah. So we're gonna see if he.
Totally in the clear.
Yeah. Yeah, but they might stay on that far side, which worries me for roosting. So you should try Mojo. I mean, I feel confident because he's with the hen. He was chasing the other ones off today. Let's do it. Let's just call it. Parker, I got a hen. Hold on. Oh, they're right here. Oh, they're right here. I see the gobbler. Hold on. Come on, right up. See right behind me now. Okay. I got him. Parker, the gobbler's to the left here, about 70 yards. He sees it. Parker, he's coming. Yeah. Left, get ready. Hold on, he's coming now. Get ready. He's definitely coming. Not far. 3 yards, 5 yards. He definitely turned. I know, it's okay. You're in, right? Okay, you're good. Just hold on. He wasn't running, but he was coming our way. Okay, hold on. Keep an eye out, Parker. Hold on, just easy. He's coming up and down. Keep an eye out. More up on hill, okay? Here. Oh, he's right here. Here he is. Oh, shit. I see his head. Hold on. Just get ready. Okay. Let's see him. Here it comes. He's coming. He's coming. He's running. Get ready, Tech. Ready? Ready? He's coming straight at us. Ready? 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 Shoot him again. Shoot him again. You winged him. You winged him. You winged him.
Hurry up, let's go get him. Damn it, you wouldn't. He's coming. I couldn't get past your head. I know, hold on.
I ran out too.
Here, I got one. Hurry up. Can't stop the flop, baby. We got him. Well, I'm choking him out, but yeah, we got him. I had to tackle him in the woods here. We got him. Strut her down, baby. Strut her down. I told Parker, I'm like, folks, we just did it. Parker got his bird. Mojo all day. I told Parker that bird had hens, and I told him we'd get it done, and we'll give you a little recap. Can't stop the flop, baby. All right, folks. Hey, Parker, also, this is my lucky hat. I know you're not a Hoyt guy, but
Hey,
I killed
needed some luck
I
tonight.
killed Dad. I told Dad when we went and hunted his bird, I wore this hat. I said, I'm bringing my lucky Hoyt hat because it's camo. And I brought it tonight.
It's not my lucky hat. I continue to wear it.
But I wore it and we got it done, dude. So Parker got permission to this property, what, a week ago?
Yep.
And
Three total sits so far.
3 total sits and third time's the charm, and we got it done. And awesome bird. There's the bird.
Got some brewskis.
Celebrating, and it's literally like this is probably the last
as soon
couple
as
minutes.
The sun goes down. Season's over.
Season's over. Parker got it done on the last thing.
Yep.
Congrats,
Good, brother.
Parker. We'll catch you on the next one.